Everyone, here in this video we're gonna be learning about remaining objects. That means in previous video we learned about tags, right? Now here we're gonna learn about all these three remaining objects, right? So I will take you through each of them one by one, and directly I'm going to take you in Jupyter Notebook, and over there I'm going to explain each of them with the help of an example. Okay, so let me take you to the Jupyter Notebook over here, and trust me, it's going to be relatively quick video. Okay, now over here, like you can see, as I have been doing in all of the previous videos, so here is the script which I'm storing in a object, or maybe a variable you can say, and then here I'm parsing that right over here. You can also do the same. I will provide this script in the description. Okay, link for this script in the description, rather I can say. And after this, now our objective is to understand what navigable string is. So navigable string is nothing but that's the text part in a given tag. For example, if you see here, we have a title tag. So what is the text object that you see in title tag? This is the text object, you can see. Similarly, if you talk about this particular B, here the tag is B, and B stands for, here it is bold, right? Okay, and inside that, if you see over here, so this is the text which you might wish to access or extract out of it, right? Here if you see, this is the text. Okay, so this is the text over here in the paragraph. All right, so these all texts are nothing but the navigable string. And how can you access that? So to access that, all that you need to do is just simply say, this is the soup object, I mean the entire object, and out of that I want to access title. Okay, so here is the title which I have. Now I want to access the string inside that, so here is the string which I got. So this is it. This is the navigable string. Now if you store that in a variable, let's say my string, okay, inside that I'm just storing that. Now if you check the type of this thing, let's say my string, okay, now here is that, here it says that it's a navigable string. Now the best part is it also provides you the facility, if you want, you can replace this particular string in the whole object. Okay, how can you do that? So it's very simple. All that you need to do is type the object name in which you have stored that particular string and just say replace with, and in that you can just put your text whatever you want to replace this thing with. Okay, for example, I want to, instead of that I want to use, I can say here is learn area to help you learn and teach everything you want. Okay, now let's see this. So this is learn area for you. This is the older thing which is coming over here. Now again I got an issue over here. Let me try to see and fix it for you. All right, so here it is fixed, right? So I did nothing, it's just I need to come over here and just do this, right? So this is done. Now if I just go over here and check this out in the original soup object, if you see, the title has been replaced over here, right? You can see it. Here is learn area to help you learn and teach everything you want. Okay, so this is the main objective of learning this navigable string. After that, we had to understand what BeautifulSoup object is. So BeautifulSoup object is nothing but the soup which we are creating over here. Like you can see here, we created the soup, and here we are using BS. So BS is nothing but BeautifulSoup. It stands for BeautifulSoup, which we have created over here. Now the next thing which we have to understand is comment, right? So if I take you over here, and in this, if you see over here, this is the comment. So comment is nothing but this is also a type of navigable string, right? So let me show it to you, how can we access that comment. Okay, let's say soup. Just tell me what is the tag which has this particular comment. So it's P is the tag which is having this thing, right? That means the paragraph. So here we got that. Okay, check out the learn area, right? So this is, now if you want to see the string only, you can just do this, right? And if you want to replace, again you can repeat the same thing which we just did over here. So this is it in this current video. Like I said that it will be relatively quick. So this is it. Here we understood all these three things, like what is navigable string, BeautifulSoup, and comment objects. Now in the next video we will see what are the two approaches to approach or access the particular string, top to down and down to top. This is how, I mean, the way to reach out to the required elements. All right then, happy learning, wish you very all the best.